Welcome, I'm Hope Washaw, dietitian, certified diabetes educator, author, and nutrition editor for PresentDiabetes.com. I want to share a few reasons why you should bookmark PresentDiabetes.com. PresentDiabetes.com is a growing online CE community on which you can actively learn for free. You can do three things. One, you can listen to lectures which are developed and narrated by international leaders in the area of diabetes nutrition management and diabetes in general. These lectures are pre-approved for continuing ed by the Commission on Dietetic Registration for Nutrition Professionals and from Mount Sinai School of Medicine in New York City. As soon as you're done with a lecture, you just print out your CEs. You can secondly receive my regularly delivered Nutrizines, an e-zine filled with cutting-edge news and timely updates about diabetes nutrition topics, anywhere from debriefs from national meetings that I attend, like American Diabetes Association, AADE, and American Dietetic Association, or progress from the Dietary Guidelines 2010 meetings that I'm listening into for you. I've written about vitamin D. I just wrote about omega-3 fats, and you'll get way more if you sign on to receive these. You'll get them delivered in your mailbox. Thirdly, you can dialogue with your diabetes educator colleagues in the US and around the world on eTalk. And you can do all these three things in the comfort of your work site with your peers or with colleagues who you are trying to bring up to speed about diabetes, or you can use PresentDiabetes.com at home with your jammies and your slippers on. Why should you join this free online community? A few reasons. You can get CE for free without having travel expenses, and you can get this education from internationally known experts in diabetes care. Interestingly, research shows that online learners have better recall than live learners. Perhaps my guess is that it's easier and more relaxing to engage in. After listening to a lecture, reading an e-zine, or when you have a question or topic to dialogue about, you can actually interact with your peers about that topic on eTalk. And research shows that you are more likely to apply your knowledge from this learning in real clinical situations. PresentDiabetes.com facilitates these types of interactions. Please join me on PresentDiabetes.com and please chime in on eTalk. I want to hear from you.